Good morning, guys. Morning market tour. Nakhon, Phanom, northeast Thailand. Pretty small market. Can't go wrong with some grilled chicken.
สำนักงานลูกเสือแห่งชาติและก็สำนักงานรับรองมาตรฐานและประเมินคุณภาพการศึกษาองค์การมหาชนของหรือสมศเป็นให้ทางท่านองค์อาจวงประยูรนะครับลูกทำไว้กันแล้วกันนะรัฐมนตรีช่วยเรามีหนึ่งท่านก็คือท่านองค์อาจเทียนเรือบินนะครับ
สวัสดีครับ Fresh beef, fresh pork. Ribs look nice. More pork, more ribs. Got all this stuff. How many years do you think she's been sitting here? Not much. Look at all of this stuff. Holy man. Holy cow. Beef. Shredded coconut. This machine makes coconut milk. That's a lot of garlic. That's a lot of garlic. Just a few chilies, not too many. So the cup. Fresh fish. Really, really fresh, still alive. Moments ago. Really quiet, not many customers. That's all blood cake. Chicken blood by the looks of it. It's a chicken stand. Fruits and vegetables. The Long Kong are back. Very nice. Bamboo shoots in a bottle. Fresh lettuce. Those are big catfish. I don't know what kind of catfish. That's fish eggs. Oh, they got the big catfish over there now. Those are big fish. There's some nice ones over here. So they go. Lots of eggs. Sour fish, fermented fish. Everybody got the same fish today.
Hello, hello.
Good morning.
What is your name?
My name is Paul. Yeah, beautiful, yeah? Oh, look at the size of that croak. Wow, big fish.
บิ๊กๆเลย
Big.
ฟิช
Lots of heads.
มาเที่ยว
Thank you. Small market. I finally found a nice lady. Very happy. Very quiet place, this one. Bye-bye.